watch a movie or play a video game, so we'll continue to use it to earn money. The best part is, you don't have to spend any money or you don't need any special skills to do it. This website welcomes visitors from all over the world. Now, go to this website, which I'll link underneath the like button. You don't need any writing skills for this because you won't be writing an essay or anything like that. All you have to do is express your thoughts on the movie you saw. All you have to do is watch it whenever you want and then give your opinion on it on this website to be paid. As you can see, the rate is $15 per review with a monthly limit of 10 reviews. However, this is only for one email account. You can certainly make more money if you sign up for multiple accounts. Even if you only do 10 video evaluations per month, that's $150 just for watching movies, which I'm sure we all do on a daily basis because we all enjoy watching movies. What surprised me the most was the ability to write reviews on movies you've already seen. So these are the steps for making money online with Animation Arena. Each review you submit must be at least 550 words long, which isn't much, and it must be unique. You can't just copy and paste another person's review. You must provide an unbiased evaluation of the film, and you must also score the information on a scale of 1 to 10 at the conclusion of each review. So whatever your thoughts on the films are, just write them down. Let's say you've completed watching a movie and you want to write a review about it. All you have to do is send an email to arenamaster@animationarena.com with the subject line "Writing for Animation Arena 2011" and answer the following questions. This is how to make money online with Animation Arena. Now for the added bonus that I promised you, here's another better and more modern way to make money online by viewing films. This is done through the website cashkick.com, which I'll also link to the video description below. To maximize your earnings and results, submit 10 evaluations on the previous website and you could earn up to $150, but if you want to earn more money by simply watching short videos rather than movies, use Cashkick. As you can see, Cashkick is the most valuable reward that will deposit money into your account. Consider how easily you can earn money by doing things you already do online, such as watching movies and browsing the web. If you want to earn extra money, you can also do surveys. But that isn't what we'll be discussing today. As you can see, you can be paid straight to your PayPal account, which is ideal for online transactions. Cashkick.com is and will stay entirely free, so you won't have to invest any money or other resources in eternity. You can start with $0 and work your way up with this method. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you view a series of short, interesting flicks. Second, when your account profits increase, keep an eye on them. Third, you can cash out quickly, easily, and frequently. The best part is that Cashkick has the market's lowest payout thresholds. They deposit money quickly, safely, and conveniently, beginning at $5, so all you need is $5 in your account to cash out. You don't need $100 or $500 as a minimum. Just $5 and you can withdraw your money right away. What's particularly amazing about this is that you can do it on your smartphone or computer while lying in bed or sitting on a sofa. You can earn money doing anything you want, and even if it's only a few dollars, it will add up over time. All you need is just a few minutes, an internet connection, and it could happen anywhere in the world. I mean, you're not doing any actual work because you're just watching videos that you don't have to actively watch. Simply press the play button and the video will play in the background while you do something else. To get started, go to Cashkick